Hello Happy Crochetiers. Today in this video I am going to tell you how to crochet the peacock fan stitch. That's a very beautiful stitch, so let's get started. To crochet the peacock fan stitch you need chains multiple of 10 plus 2 extra. For row 1, skip the very first chain and into the next place a single crochet stitch. Skip the next 4 chains 1, 2, 3 and 4 and into the 5th chain place 11 treble crochet. To place the treble crochet, yarn over twice and slip your hook into the designated stitch and pull off a loop. You have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops on the hook. And this way I placed 1 treble crochet. You need to place 10 more treble crochet into the same stitch. So in total we must have 11 treble crochet into one stitch. That's called a fan. So I placed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 and oops, I placed 1 extra. Okay, so here I have 11 treble crochet all into the same stitch. So let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now skip the next 4 chains 1, 2, 3 and 4 and into the next chain place a single crochet. So repeat this pattern till the end of the row of skipping the next 4 chains and into the next place 11 treble crochet. In the end you will be left with 5 more chains. So skip the next 4 chains and into this very last chain place a single crochet. For row 2, chain 4, turn your work, place 1 treble crochet into the same stitch. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Place a single crochet into the 6th stitch of the fan. So counting from the very first treble crochet, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So into the 6th stitch of the fan, place a single crochet stitch. Chain 5, place a treble crochet into the single crochet stitch. Chain 1 and 1 more treble crochet into the same single crochet stitch. Now chain 5, place a single crochet into the 6th treble crochet stitch of the next fan. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here's the 6th. And place a single crochet into the 6th stitch. Chain 5. When you reach to the end of the round, place 2 treble crochet into the very last single crochet stitch. For row 3, chain 1, turn your work, single crochet into the next treble crochet stitch. So skip the first stitch and into the next place a single crochet. Now skip this chain 5 space and place 11 treble crochet, that is called a fan stitch. Okay, so place a fan stitch into the single crochet stitch. Now skip the next space and place a single crochet into this chain 1 space. Now skip the next space and into this single crochet stitch place a fan stitch, that is 11 treble crochet all into one stitch. So once you have placed the fan stitch into the single crochet stitch, skip the space and into this last stitch place a single crochet. Place one more single crochet into this turning chain. And that's it to crochet the peacock fan stitch. So now keep on repeating row 2 and row 3 for continue with the pattern. So I hope you loved the tutorial. See you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.